Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best angle grinder wheels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dewalt DW8062. The standout benefit of the Dewalt DW8062 is, without doubt, its durability. Out of all the regular cutoff wheels, it lasts the longest while cutting metal. The speed at which it cuts through metal sheets isn't bad either. However, it's over 2 times slower than the fastest angle grinder wheel in this review. It's not possible to return the pack if it has any defect, which happens quite often. So Dewalt should look into its quality control issues, like discs wearing down faster than others in the same pack, or an incomplete pack of discs. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Lenox angle grinder diamond edge wheel. The Lennux disc is the safest metal cutting disc you can use because it's made of solid steel, which is unlikely to shatter under pressure or a slip. Also, it lasts very, very long and seems as if it never wears down. A pack, 1 unit, lasts as long as if you used a pack of 10 regular wheels. Consequently, it's more economical when you do the maths. It is annoyingly slow. If you intend to cut welds with this disc, prepare to spend a long time while holding the angle grinder. Moreover, its slow cutting prowess makes the steel or metal hot, so it isn't the best cutting wheel to make large cuts. At number 3, we have the Diablo thin Kerf metal cutoff wheel. Undoubtedly, the blazing speed at which the Diablo discs cut through metal is what fascinates me the most. It can slice through a 3-tar tall metal in 35 seconds, whereas it could take the Lennux up to 5 minutes. For the speed at which it cuts metal, it holds up well to use. You wouldn't burn through an insane number of discs to complete a job. Although the Diablo wheel is a fantastic all-rounder, its thin design might limit the range of metals it can cut effectively. At number 2, we have the Makita D2105 cutoff wheel. The ultra-thin design of the D2105 not only cuts through metal cleanly and super fast, one of the fastest angle grinder wheels available, but surprisingly lasts long as well. This may be due to its non-proprietary aluminum oxide formulation. Whichever way, it doesn't wear down quickly and is less prone to shatter despite how thin it is. Combine this angle grinder wheel with a decent belt grinder for knife making for multiple applications. It is undoubtedly packed with premium qualities, but costs a lot. It is about 2 times as expensive as its close competitors. And finally, at number 1, we have the Warrior metal cut-off wheel. Without a doubt, I love how well it cuts through metal despite its affordability. It may be nothing like the fastest wheels, but it cuts fast enough, way faster than the Lenox discs, and even faster than the top product in this review. This is the best budget angel grinder wheel. Unsurprisingly, its low price comes at the expense of quality. It isn't durable. Of all the products in this review, it sees the most material loss, worse than the next product, Diablo, by a wide margin. It could suffer up to 41% material loss on a single cut, while the Diablo loses only about 15% of usable material. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.